What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the GMWB5000 TR-9 TranTixxii. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do all G-Shock related content, reviews, unboxings, how-to videos, battery changes, real versus fake, upcoming releases, limited editions, all that stuff, all that jazz. Please follow along. Today we have the GMWB5000 TR-9. This is the TranTixxii is what they call it. All full titanium alloy G-Shock watch. So this is cool, neat one. Comes in this cool box here. Unbox it. There's a model number right there for you guys. The GMWB5000 TR-9. If you need the model number for reference. I think it's sold out in most locations. You might be able to find it still. The price tag is pretty hefty though, so be prepared. Be forewarned that this is one that it's difficult to stomach because of the price, but it's a beauty. Definitely one that is a limited edition watch that will probably be worth a significant amount more in the near future. So he's got a black box here, presentation box with the gold G-Shock logo, Casio on the side, some random text there on the side. But let's pull this baby open, show you guys what we're working with. All right, so in case you didn't know, this watch is cool. It's unique in the sense that it's the combination of different colorways. G-Shock has released a few different colors in this watch. The GMWB5000, they have a silver one, a gold one, the TRAN with the lines. There's also a burgundy color one. There's a all black one, and a few other colorways. But this one it's cool because it combines all those colors in one. And I think that's what they did with this trunk here. The presentation trunk case. It's a combination of all those colors here. You have the gold, the top there, the red, and the blue color accents there, which resemble, and also black, resemble the watch itself. Okay. Inside the box as well, you have this little side box here, which includes the manual and some warranty card information. But ideally, you want to connect the watch to your Bluetooth application and set it up that way. It's just much faster, much more convenient than actually setting up and on your own. Open it up, and there we are. Inside, you have the G-Shock logo. Okay, then we have the watch itself. Pop this baby open. This one though is a fingerprint magnet. It is all glossy mirror finish metal on it, so I will be wearing gloves. Let's do that now. And we're back. All right, so let me take off this plastic here, the wrapping, so you guys can get a really close look of all the beautiful details of this watch, including, most specifically, the colors of the watch are just astonishing. They're amazing. It doesn't do it justice unless we show all the specifics and all the colors. So, all right, so take the plastic off. There we go. This one here is difficult to photograph. It's a gorgeous watch, but it's just all the accents and colors make it difficult to actually capture. It's got a gold bezel, as you can see there, but a combination of beautiful colors. So you have the right on top there, you have like a grayish color, then you have the reddish, and then gold, and then there's like a blue. That's a blue right there, right? And then you have also a lighter kind of chrome color right there. It's also gray, but it's a lighter gray than this one. This is like a gunmetal. This is a lighter version, and it kind of circulates that way. Gray, red, gold, blue. Gray, red, gold, blue, and so forth. Now the back buckle, it's just black right there. It's just the entire watch is glassy. The entire thing is a mirror finish, so it's easy to put grime on it and put fingerprints on it. That's why I'm wearing gloves. But it's such a gorgeous watch, guys. One that I definitely think that you should guys consider getting if you haven't done so already. If you don't mind the fact that it will get grimy and it probably will scratch, although this watch It is built for toughness. The price itself is $1,700 retail price, which is a whopping price. I think the compared to the other ones, I think the standard GMWB5000 is like $800 or so. This one is titanium alloy, which is supposed to be a new metal design or technology that was created by a company for G-Shock. So it's not completely actual titanium, it's titanium alloy. That's why it's called the TRAN or TranTixxii. It's supposed to be, the metal is supposed to be twice as hard as titanium. And it's the first G-Shock that's completely mirror finish. So it just glows. Look at that. It's stunning on the wrist. It just stands out really, really nice. All right, the case itself has ion plating. The finish, it's got the bands and the buttons have also the IP finish in red, blue, light gray, dark gray, and gold. And it does have, for this price tag, you do have the sapphire crystal on there, which is supposed to be a great material for scratches. It's supposed to be scratch resistance. Of course, anything can scratch, but it is a lot better material and it prevents scratches much better than just standard glass. It's also got the glare resistant coating. So when you wear this in real time, in real life, the sun is supposed to keep the glare or the anti-glare resistance under the coating is supposed to keep the glare to a minimum, which is pretty good. The watch is 200-meter water resistant. It is tough solder. So you can see the panels there. Those panels here, the brick panels right there, that's the tough solder technology. It's also multi-band 6 and Bluetooth technology. There's a Bluetooth indicator right there. It is a Bluetooth application, and it has power save mode. So if you don't touch it, if it stays in darkness, the watch will actually shut off on its own to reserve and conserve power. The size of the watch is about 49.3 by 43.2 by 13 millimeters in size and millimeters. And it weighs 104 grams. Now there's where the titanium alloy kicks in. The GMWB5000, the silver and the black one, they weigh 167 grams. This one weighs 104 grams, which is, my math is correct, is about 67 grams difference between the two, which 67 grams is a ton when it comes to watch references. And it's actually very it's noticeable on the hand. It just feels toyish, it feels fake because of the titanium weight. I like heavy watches, it feels more luxurious, but titanium is supposed to be a lightweight watch or material, so I could feel it in my hand when I hold it. In fact, that it is very light. Again, that trifold buckle, it's black, it's gorgeous right there. Look at that, just stunning. But again, very bright mirror finish on there right there. Okay, the back plate is a screw back, which is very it's common for luxurious watches. The G-Shock line, it's got the screw back there. You can see the reference there, GMWB5000 with the 3459 module, which is shared among all of the GMWB5000. Does say titanium on there. Water resistance up to 20 bar, which is 200 meters. Bluetooth right there, indication. Multiband 6 atomic timekeeping, which means it connects to the 6 towers around the world and connects and gives you accurate time every time. Tough solder, gorgeous watch. Right. On the display there, it's got cool colorways there. You have the blue, red, gold, gray colors. Kind of resembles the band itself, how it circulates around the bezel, around the dial. And then you have the day of the week there, the date window, and the time window. All right. In terms of modes, not too much going on there. You have the world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, and then back to your home time. All right. The buttons here, you can see these are black, kind of a black colorway. And then you have on the other side, you have the black buttons as well, but one is gold. I'm assuming that the light button is gold. Let me see that. Turn the light off. There we go. And this is cool because it actually dims in and out. Really nice color there. Outside the light, you can see how it's still kind of mirror finish and actually looks pretty nice. Even in the dark, those colors just pop. All right, there we go. Put this on the wrist. Show you guys how it looks. There we go. It's a gorgeous watch. It looks very luxurious. I can imagine wearing this with like a gray suit or something. How beautiful it would look. My wrist is so small though. You can already see I have a 6 1/4 wrist, I believe it is. You can only imagine how many of these beautiful links I'm going to lose, which is kind of sad. I guess I'll have one of each, but I'll be losing double or half of the links on each side of the band, which is kind of sad because I love the colors there. So I'll be missing out on that when I wear it. Okay. Look at that. Such gorgeous colors right there. Absolutely stunning. Of all these colors, I think the blue stands out the most. I really like how that looks. Very, very nice. All right, guys, and there you have it. The GMWB5000 TR-9 titanium alloy, the TranTixxii is what they called it. Hopefully you enjoyed this watch review, guys. Once again, I think one that you should consider getting. And if you like the channel, if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what you think is this is a watch that you consider getting. Is it too colorful for your liking? Or is it something that you would get and keep it a limited edition? What do you think? Most people say, no, if I'm going to buy, I'm going to wear it. Me, I love to keep them fresh and clean. So I usually don't wear my watches except for a few. But here you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy, guys. I'm out of here. All right? Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.